Imagine, guys, the pain of having a partner that you want to spend the rest of your life with. And this partner is also telling you that they want to spend the rest of their life with you, but they're not telling you your plans. Utirelo basically says that from now on, because she's seen things for what they are, she's tried to ask Mpumelelo the right questions, but Mpumelelo is not budging because he's like, listen, this vision is mine, these plans are mine, and the rest of you are just coming into what's mine. Not that whole thing, the whole concept of marriage that we all have, that we building together, we don't together. Mpumelelo like, nope. I'm the one with the plans. I'm the one with the vision. You guys are just going to come into something that's already existing. So Utirelo says from now onwards that she's going to love her life because umuntu has plans, but they aren't telling you what are their plans. And I just thought to myself, at this point, guys, I don't even really know. But does Mpumelelo really have plans, or is he just saying it for the sake of looking put together? Now, I know Musa is quite a strategic man. I've said this before. One thing about Musa that we will not take, that we can't discredit him for, is that he's a hardworking man, you guys. He's a hardworking man. For a fact that he has 3 shows on one channel, please, guys, let's give the man his flowers for that. He's got Umnawethu, he's got Izingane Zesthembu, and he's got Autonomy Zesthembu. No, guys, come on. So I feel like for the fact that Musa is strategic when it comes to business and making money, and he advises Mpumelelo so much, and Mpumelelo looks up to him so much, I really do want to believe that Mpumelelo does have plans and that he does have an income. I know it might not look like it, you guys, but I'm just thinking from the perspective of if he is that close with Musa, I don't think if because Musa knows that in order to work a woman, especially as Tenjin, you're gonna have to have something that at least is gonna make woman number 2 want to come and stay in this whole polygamy setup. And in most cases, that is comfortability, security in terms of money. So I do think that he is, advising his son to get his ducks in a row. It might not be where maybe a lot of people expected to be at, where it would be at a point where we are able to literally like see the money in the clothes, in the functions that he attends and all of that. But honestly, guys, I really do think that Mpumelelo does have the plans, but, or should I say, I hope so. Or should I say, I hope so, because how are you going to have a plan to take 30 women all at once, and you don't have no plan in motion? But the sad thing, you guys, is I truly don't get it. You can't be in a relationship with women. This is the very same reason why Uvuyobazi left Mpumelelo, because she was basically saying that this person, he doesn't tell me anything. When I try and advise him, he doesn't listen. So Mpumelelo, literally, this is a ship. He is in a relationship where he's riding. He determines the direction of the relationship. How are you building with a person, guys, that doesn't tell you their plans? Even Tirelo, I'm wondering to myself if Ugen is still girl, clearly still driven by love. But I am concerned for her because I'm like, you are gonna be waiting around for something which you're not even guaranteed you might get. What are you waiting around for? Because she says that she's going to live her life from now onwards. So you living your life, part of your life, and part of your life is on is in someone else's hands. Basically, you don't know when he's gonna marry you. You don't know what is his plans. That got it. No, guys, personally, that's why I say Izithembu is for select people. Izithembu is not for anyone, because personally for me, I would never ever give anyone so much control over my life to a point where I am waiting on them to determine whether they want to marry me. No, if we want to get married to one another, I should say, I want to marry you, you want to marry me, let's go ahead. Not to waiting Lindewe, I'm waiting for you. Or not that I'm waiting for your plans. No, tell me your plans. I will tell you my plans. Then we can build together. But I find like it is so one-sided, especially when it comes to polygamy, where this person has their plans, but then down the line, these women have to work for themselves. In this economy, the reality is Uvuyokazi, and I'm counting Uvuyokazi, guys, even though I know that Uvuyokazi has broken up with Mpumelelo, if you did not know this, but according to the show, that has not played out as yet. But according to in this economy that we are living in, chances are Uvuyokazi is going to have to go to work or make some sort of income, which I'm glad she's doing now through these campaigned work that she's getting, including Tirelo. Look at Musa Mselebu's wives. Yes, he's got the money, but they're working. They are working, and I don't think they're working only because they want to, but it's just nice to have your own money and not depend on someone else's money. Imagine if all Musa Mselebu's wives were not working and the only person who was working was Utobile. Wouldn't the other wives feel like they are being fed by Utobile? Because already Tobine looks like she's bringing majority of the money in the house or in the home, but it's just that Utobile, people might say whatever they want to say about Utobile, but I don't think she's a brag like that when it comes to money. I don't think she has a heart like that. But as a woman, you'd have your pride as well. You've got kids. You know, on the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Musa basically says about Umamkulu, Umatele, that Umatele is not working. She alasoli next. She doesn't have any mead. But like it just gave off like funny vibes of like you basically saying because you provide for her in every way, then she kinda like should be grateful for that fact that she's not working and yet she's living such a comfortable life. No woman wants to be ever or wants to ever feel in that way. Yes, there are men who won't treat you like that, but guys, it's just best to be on the safer side, especially when you have kids. Anyway, guys, I've said a mouthful. Tell me what you think about this whole thing of Tirelo saying she's going to live her life while at the same time she's going to be waiting on Mpumelelo to, I don't know, what is she exactly waiting for? But anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.